Thank you for the pizza treats and burger, and I buy also a French fries, and of course the drinks. 3 drinks, Coke, Royal, and Sprite. This one. Thank you so much for the treats. Burger, Jollibee burger, pizza, pizza. So the kids enjoy and happy. Say thank you. Sabi mo, thank you, Kuya Cookie.
Thank you, Kuya Cookie.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Okay na kayo, burger isa. Kain kayo ng pizza. Ako first eat. Thank you, Kuya Cookie. Pizza.
Ng ano? Ayaw niyo sa pizza.
Ano ba pizza? Ayaw mo ng burger? Stop din yan. Kain kayo dyan.
I will save it. Maya na.
Kuha kayo ng pizza. Pizza! Siyempre hindi namin ito mauubos. Busy sila.
Ano to? Spicy.
Busy yung iba.
Ano?
Kami muna. Kumain ka na, Dinesh. Kumakit pizza ako sa mo?
Ang dumi sa pizza.
Ayaw mo ng pizza? So, fries.
6, 7. Fries.
Fries. Uy, dandahan kayo, nagkalat kayo. Para hindi kayo
Wala na,
mahirapan.
sinali kasi.
Ayan. Fries. Salamat kayo ha. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Kuya Cookie, for the treats. Happy New Year.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hindi malamig namin drinks.
Mami, may ketchup po?
Ay, oo. So, ketchup. Lagay ko dyan, lagay ko dyan. Ketchup. Kids' favorite. Huwag kayo magkakalat ka.
Kay mama na itong burger. Ay, mama na.
Bigay mo ka daddy, oh.
Daddy! Burger! Gama yan? Burger mo. Ang sarap. Hindi si Udi. Bigay ko man itong burger.
Sarap.
Bigay ko man itong burger.
Sarap ng ketchup.
Kuha ko ganito.
Sprite mo. Ako magbili. Sarap niyang ketchup. This one is Dayan. Dayan's cousin. Also Denise. Binigyan niya pa yung kapatid
She
niya ng
left.
burger.
Because she give her her
Sister.
siblings.
Sister. Yan nga. This is Denise.
Rochelle. Ano? Her nickname is Rachel. Ma'am Rachel.
Thank you na. Once again, thank you so much, Kuya Cookie.
Thanks so
The
much.
food is so good. Sarap. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.